What's up, guys? This is Durability Lab, and right here we've got the Element television again with the removed LCD from my last short. And in this video we're going to be taking these cement blocks and that sledgehammer and just dropping them on the screen and seeing what happens. So let's get started. Alright, so first for the sledgehammer. Not much. Now for the bricks. Well, I guess nothing happened. Just for good measure. Ooh, that one did it. Alright, and you can see it's still on with the blue light. Anyways, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. And you know it. Peace out.